Alright, today we have the Vortex 4.2. This one happens to be in the GMC. Don't really know the difference between this and the Trailblazer, but all the work on the motor is pretty much exactly identical. We have the code P0300, which is multi-cylinder misfire. Before we got the multi-cylinder, it was showing cylinder 5 misfire, and I changed the variable timing solenoid and it ran better, and it gave me a new code of multi-cylinder misfire. So I'm going to start on 5. Sounds kind of like it's getting wet, so maybe valve cover is leaking oil, or we have a fuel injector stuck open. First thing we got to do is take all this off, which is pretty easy. It's just a Phillips screwdriver, and on the side there'll be a 10mm bolt. Take that off, pop this off so you can see them. I believe coil 4 is going to be underneath the throttle body, so hopefully we don't have to mess with that. Alright, we got top, the air duct off. I was wrong. I guess there is a little bit of a difference from the GMC and the Trailblazer. On a Trailblazer, some of them, the 3rd or 4th coil pack is underneath the throttle body. Luckily it's not on this one. So we're going to start at number 5. All you have to do is take, undo your wiring, and then that's just 110mm. It'll pop right off. These look brand new, so I'm pretty sure it's not a coil, because these are brand new, all 6 of them. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop number 5 off and see what I find. So here we are with number 5 off. So far, I think I'm gonna have to blame the valve cover gasket for my misfire. It's looking like we have it leaking right down onto the plug. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull this plug out to verify that it's covered in oil. And if so, this video will turn into how to replace a valve cover gasket. Okay, so got the plug out, and this is it. Covered in oil. And that is where my misfire is coming from. So pretty much the only way to fix this is new plugs and new valve cover gasket to keep the oil out of there. And then she should run like new. So go ahead and like and subscribe. And if you're interested in the valve cover gasket, go to my page and the video should be on there.